Hi, I'm Edward. Today I want to show you a very easy way to create an abstract mandala. You need two pieces of paper. First, draw two equal circles. Then divide the circles to equal parts. I have a video about dividing circles and you can check in the description. The circles must be the same. Now you need to draw something abstract in one of the parts of one of the circles. When your drawing is done, stick the paper to the window. Then put the second circle over and try to copy the drawing. When you copy everything, turn the circle two parts to the left and copy again. Do the same thing many times. This is the result. Now flip the original drawing and stick it again to the window. Then start to copy the drawing into the empty parts of the second circle. The mandala is almost complete. Finally, you can color it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. If you want to support my channel, check the link in the description.